Have you ever felt no matter what you do, you can't seem to break out of your financial struggles? What if the current money problems are deeply tied to the karmic patterns from this life or even past life? In this video, I'm going to share 7 powerful techniques to help you break free from the financial karma and start creating the abundant life you desire. Hi, I'm Sanskriti Sethi. Welcome back to my channel. Money can be sensitive and frustrating topic, especially when you feel stuck. But the truth is that the financial struggles are often linked to energetic imbalances and karmic patterns. The good news is that you have the power to rewrite your financial story. Yes, you heard it correctly. Today, I'll take you through this practical and spiritual technique that can help you break free from the financial karma and align with the energy of abundance. These steps are not just quick fixes, they are about creating the lasting changes. And let's dive in. Technique 1. Identify your money belief system. The first step to break your financial karma is uncovering your belief system about money. Ask yourself, do I believe money is hard to come? Do I feel guilty about wanting wealth? Do I associate money with greed or negativity? These subconscious beliefs might be inherited from family, from past life experiences, from the lineage. To shift them, replace limiting belief with empowering affirmation. For example, money flows to me easily, money flows through me effortlessly. I am deserving all the financial abundance. Wealth is the force for good in my life. Write these affirmations down and repeat them daily to reprogram your subconscious mind. Technique 2. Heal past life financial karmas. Sometimes financial struggles are rooted with unresolved past life karma. For example, if you take a vow of poverty as a monk or nun in past life, that energy still affects your relationship with money today. To address this, you can meditate on financial challenges and ask your higher self to reveal the past life connections. Seek help through Akashic record reading through a professional Akashic record reader to uncover and clear your past life money blocks. When you heal past life energy, you free yourself to create new patterns of abundance into your life. Technique number 3. Practice gratitude for what you have. Gratitude is a powerful way to shift your vibration from lack to abundance. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, start appreciating what you have in life. Here is a simple gratitude practice. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful about related to money. For example, I'm grateful for the roof over my head. I am grateful for the ability to pay my bills. I am grateful for the money I have to buy food today. When you focus on abundance, you naturally attract more of it. Technique number 4. Release generational money blocks. Very, very important. Your financial karma might not even be yours. It could be inherited from your family. If your ancestors struggled with poverty, financial instability, scarcity, that energy is passed down through the subconscious DNA. To release generational money blocks, perform ancestral healing meditations. When you visualize sending love and light to your family back in the generation, you receive in return is blessings. Create a small ritual table, a small altar for your ancestors. Light a candle there, say a prayer that you feel want to say along, and ask them to release any patterns of lack. When you heal your ancestor lineage, you open doors to abundance not just for yourself but for the future generations to come. Technique number 5. Give back to break the cycle of lack. Giving is a way to break free from the financial karma. When you give, you signal the universe that you trust that there's always more to come to you. Start small. Donate to charity. Help a friend in need. Tip a little extra. But remember, giving doesn't always have to be with money. You can give your time, your energy, your skills. The key is to give from the place of love and abundance, not just fear and obligation. This creates the cycle of positive karma where the energy you put out comes back to you multiplied. Technique number 6. Visualization is a powerful manifestation tool. The freedom to travel or live your dream lifestyle, paying off debts with ease, supporting loved ones without stress. Imagine spending a few minutes each day visualizing your life having all these with you. Feel the emotions of abundance as you visualize joy, gratitude, peace. The more you align to the energy of financial abundance, the faster you attract money. Technique number 7, align with your life purpose. Sometimes financial struggles occur because you're not aligned with your soul purpose. Ask yourself, am I doing the work that fulfills me? Does my career align with my value and passion in life? When you follow your life purpose, abundance opens and flows through you naturally. Take time to reflect on what truly lights up for you. Explore the ways to make that part of your work life and day-to-day life. Breaking financial karma isn't about an overnight success. It's about consistency, inner work, and alignment. By shifting your beliefs, healing your past wounds, aligning with the energy of abundance, you create a foundation for lasting financial freedom. If you are ready to dive deeper and clear your financial karma from its roots, I encourage you to book an Akashic Record reading with me. Together, we are going to uncover the blocks holding you back and help you rewrite your financial story. Thank you for watching, and remember, abundance starts with your mindset. Stay tuned for more spiritual tips and techniques to help you thrive. See you next time.